Welcome back to YouTube. My name's Healthy Living James and I'm here with Instant Brands, cooking up simple delicious recipes that you can make at home in your Instant Pot or Vortex air fryer. Whether you're tuning in from the UK, Australia or the US, hoping I can inspire you to cook with more vegetables at home. Drop a comment down below, let me know where you're tuning in from and if you're changing any ingredients for seasonal ones that you've got. So today we're going to be making a really simple mushroom risotto that you can cook in the Pro Crisp. Then we're going to turn it into arancini balls that are really crispy, delicious. This recipe, simple ingredients, gluten-free and vegan, and really easy to make, so let's cook. So we're going to pressure cook the risotto, switch the lid so that we can roll the balls, air fry until they're crispy, delicious arancini balls. Firstly, we're going to prep a red onion, finely dice some garlic. Now we're going to finely chop the mushrooms before we add all of these into the pot to saute. Also adding a tablespoon of dried sage, and we're going to simmer these for about 3 minutes until they soften. I wish you could smell this sage, it smells absolutely incredible. Next we're going to go in with 250 grams of arborio risotto rice. Now we're going to add 350 ml of veg stock. Next we're going to add a can of coconut milk, which is quite unique in a risotto but adds a real nice creaminess to it as we're not using cheese. We're going to add a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper. Finally, we're going to give it a stir, deglaze the bottom of the pot so we haven't got any burnt bits. We're going to press cancel and secure the lid, ready to pressure cook. Now we're going to press the pressure cook button for 8 minutes, press start. The great thing about cooking the risotto in the Instant Pot is you literally chuck it in, turn it on. You don't have to stand there for normally 45 minutes sort of stirring through the stock. So this is super quick and does it all for you. Once the risotto is cooked, release the pressure, take the lid off. So we're going to remove the inner pot, give it a stir and allow it to cool for about 30 minutes. Now that the risotto is cooled, we're going to grab a handful of it and just simply roll it into a nice sized ball. Now we're going to roll the risotto balls into breadcrumbs. I'm using gluten-free, but you could use any ones that you want to until they're nicely coated. You don't want to overcrowd it in here because you want them to have the space to get nice and crispy. Place the air fryer lid on. I'm going to go for 10 minutes at 205 degrees. So we're going to remove our air fryer lid, place on a heat-proof mat because the lid is very hot. Look how crispy and delicious those look. Whether you're making this recipe just for the arancini or a way of using up leftover risotto, this is such a great recipe that everyone can share and enjoy. And the best part about this recipe is we cooked it all in one appliance in the Instant Pot Pro Crisp. I hope you've enjoyed all of the recipes. Make sure you give them a try. Let us know down in the comments below which one you have tried. I'm Healthy Living James and it's been great cooking along with all of you.